Hi, welcome to Human Resource Development. I'm Lara Chaga, and today I'm going to discuss to you the topic that I am assigned with, which is compare and contrast HRD and HRM success strategies and techniques in relation to organizational structures. So with the shift from training to learning comes the need to understand where HRD fits in the organization. The growing understanding of the contribution that HRD can make to organizational performance has much to do with the growth in interest in HRM and in the contribution that people can make for business. So it's any organization, may it be profit-oriented or non-profit, the most vital asset is its employees. And for this organization to maximize their assets, they should manage the employees' working condition with intelligence and efficiency. They must be allowed to be involved in making work-related decisions to further enhance the organizational structure. Furthermore, the structure of tasks among employees strengthens the organizational performance. It is necessary to understand the employees for organization to be effective. The development, building, motivation, enhancement, and enrichment of the employees of any organization largely depend on the leadership, mandate, and vision of the organization. So let's go to definitions. HRD, Human Resource Development, according to Werner and Desimone, it is a set of systematic and planned activities designed by an organization to provide its members with the necessary skills to meet current and future job demands. While HRM, its effective utilization of employees to best achieve the goals and strategies of the organization, as well as the goals and needs of the employees. Another definition of HRD, it's an organization learning activity arranged within an organization in order to improve performance or professional growth for the purpose of improving the job, the individual, and/or organization. HRD includes the areas of training and development, career development, and organizational development. And also another definition of HRM is it's a field which includes HR research and information system, union labor relation employee, assistance, compensation, benefits, selection and staffing, performance management, HR planning, and organizational job design. So in here, with this diagram, you will be able to see the function of HRD, which is performance administration, personal development, professional development, and organizational development. While HRM, it includes recruitment, selection, introduction, personal administration, training and development, performance and reward management, talent management, succession and career planning, labor relative, and HR planning. So let's discuss the similarities between HRM and HRD. So HRD is similar to HRM in that it is too directly related to employee performance and therefore organizational profitability. HRD activities that are intended to ensure that employees have the skills and competencies the organization needs to fulfill its goals and objectives in the present and in future. Like HRM, the HRD function is strategic function that requires specialists to be knowledgeable of the strategic plans of the organization, having the ability to work in concert with the line managers and functions throughout the organization in stand-alone capacity, or as a major function in human resource development. So in this table, you will be able to see the function of HRD and HRM. So with regards also to the diagram before, it's also the same in here, which you could see that HRD is training and development, organizational development, career development, organizational job design, human resource planning, performance management systems, selection and staffing, while HRM involves research and information system, union labor relations, employee assistance, compensation or benefits, organizational job design, human resource planning, performance management system, and selection and staffing. So let's also discuss the difference between HRD and HRM. So HRD professional works with strategic decision makers to coordinate educational planning and training programs. They work with HR management in the design, development, and implementation of HR programs and intervention strategies. They design and implement change strategies and advise management on the efficient use of human resources. As a learner program specialist, they identify, design, and develop learning programs as well as selecting the appropriate learning materials. They also function as learning instructors. They counsel employees regarding competencies and career goals, and coach line managers on intervention to improve individual and group performance. So research is the tool that they use to statistically determine the effectiveness of HRD and practices and programs. So in this diagram also, it has also difference between HRM and HRD. So let's focus on HRM. HRM is a routine function while HRD is continuous development function. HRM is an independent one while HRD is a subsystem. HRM is inclusive responsibility of personal development, while HRD aims at developing the capabilities of all its managers. HRM considers salary, economic rewards, and job simplification as important motivators, while HRD considers informal work groups, job enrichment as main motivators. So we have common elements in successful strategies for HRM and HRD. So the successful strategy has effective implementation, and below with this, you will be able to see the long-term simple and agreed objectives, profound understanding of the competitive environment, and objective appraisal of resources. So what I have discussed to you with regards to compare and contrast HRD and HRM, success strategies and techniques in relation to organizational structures. Here is my conclusion for this. Employees are increasingly demanding change, choice, flexibility, and variety in their work. So basically, the suggesting that with the layering of organizations and empowerment of individual employees, the future for both the organization and individuals lies in developing the value and individual as capital or human capital. So basically, HRD and HRM are similar as well as different. So HRD is a major part of HRM function that focuses on strategic training and development for the purpose of impacting profitability by increasing productivity and performance. Effective HRD intervention can be accomplished using a four-phase framework consisting of the needs assessment, program, design, implementation, and evaluation. So thank you for listening and have a great day.